Hello students of class 7th, welcome to your English class. Students, in this video I am going to teach you the third chapter of your English literature. It's a poem and the title is Set Your Standards High. So let's begin. Before it, let's know something about its poet, Gillian K. Hunt. Students, Gillian K. Hunt is an American author. She was born in Scotland. Now come to the poem. In this poem, the poet Gillian K. Hunt says that always try what you desire for and never underestimate yourself or your goal because you deserve the best. If you keep an attitude of winning, you can never lose. So have faith in yourself no matter what way you choose. So let's start with the first stanza. Read it along with me. Set your standards high. You deserve the best. Try for what you want and never settle for less. Students, in the first stanza, the poetess Gillian K. Hunt says that we should set our standards high. It means we must believe in ourselves. We should never think ourselves lesser than anyone because we deserve the best that we want. Next, believe in yourself no matter what you choose. Keep a winning attitude and you can never lose. In the second stanza, the poetess says that we should believe in ourselves no matter what way we choose. And if we keep an attitude of winning, we can never lose. Next, think about your destination, but don't worry if you stray. Because the most important thing is what you have learned along the way. Students, in the third stanza, the poetess says that don't worry if you fail. Just think about your aim and your final destination because the most important thing that you counts is what you have done to achieve your goal. Next and last stanza. Take all that you have become to be all that you can be. Soar above the clouds and let your dreams set you free. Students, in the last stanza, the poetess says that do what it takes to be and you want to be and what you want to become and follow your dreams. So that's all about it in this poem. Tomorrow I'll provide you the solution and summary of this poem. That's all.